My name is Julia Conway, and I am doing video number 1 for AEP 800, mini assignment number 3. I am introducing thespaces.com. This is a great website for students to go on virtual field trips and explore architecture, both inside and out, and also art and new property. And there's also some travel destinations as well. I'm just going to click here on architecture and show you all the different options they have. They even have virtual yoga. It's kind of a class and a peek inside buildings on one, so that would be something great to engage your students in as well. But most of them are just simply walking through buildings. There's lots of regular magazine articles, but then there's also virtual tours as well. And if we click onto the interiors, you can see inside of interiors, maybe you're doing a design drawing for the students working on one or two-dimensional 1-point or 2-point perspective drawings, They are interested in looking inside of buildings, I found, and so this is great to show the differences of inside different buildings and all the different ways that you could design a building on the inside. It shows art and highlights things, especially during this quarantine time. It's interesting and will give more insight in the art world for your students. One thing that I really like, if you go to the news, it comes up with lots of recent stories that they have done. And I found out this website from an online art group, and this one right here really caught my eye. This was featured on the online art group I saw and caught my eye to this website. It's Frank Lloyd Wright. This is one of the architects I teach in my classes, and we go over the different kinds of architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright is prairie style and likes to incorporate nature, so this is a great one for a virtual field trip. It shows videos that go on the nature outside of his buildings and inside, and how both nature and architecture work together. It's really amazing, and I think using these types of websites for students will help them be more engaged and excited about learning about architecture. Thank you.